Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Strong winds sweep across the open field as Timo begins building a stone wall for protection. Each stone must fit tightly against the next. A small gap could weaken the entire wall. A new word becomes important in this moment: meticulous. Meticulous means being very careful about details. Stacking the stones too quickly would make the wall unstable. Timo adjusts each stone slowly, checking its balance and alignment before adding the next. The wall rises firm and straight. The strong wind hits the wall but cannot break through. Timo remembers that being meticulous means paying close attention to every detail, because careful effort builds lasting strength for whatever challenges come next.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.